Hi, I'm Mike. We're here at ISE 2020 and we are at the rAVe booth. Today I'm going to talk to you about Da-Lite and Projecta ambient light screen surfaces. Ambient light rejection means the blockage of sunlight and the light in your application, in your rooms. And we have different materials for that. Our ambient light material program is called PARALLAX. On your left you have PARALLAX Pure, blocking up to 96% of the ambient light. In the middle, we have an extension of that program calling PARALLAX Stratos, blocking up to 80%, but it's a vinyl. This vinyl gives us the opportunity to go big and wide for large venue situations where a lot of ambient light is present. Zooming out to this bigger screen, we have a wire line here with PARALLAX Stratos. This allows you to have an ambient light situation like we have here on our booth, and still have a very crisp and clear image. If you want more information on our PARALLAX line, go to rAVe.com.